Hi, guess who? It's Janet Barlow again. Well, I'm the one that had the flaming red countertops. So I called Stacy and I said, Stacy, I want my bathroom back wall paneled. She said, fine, Janet. So here's what I did. I took this picture in for her and I said, Stacy, it's a ceiling color, but this is the color I want. Can you do this? She goes, no problem. So Stacy said, Janet, your sample's ready. I said, okay, Stacy, I'm coming down. I looked at it and this is it. And it's perfect. And it's emerald green, looks like the ocean with blue in it, with gold specks, and it is awesome.